I'm nervous.
I have the same artistic ability as a rock.
Oh God. All right.
My name's Pat Harris. I'm the owner of Homesmith, and I don't know why I'm here.
I'm gonna look like, oh golly, Ned. Wow.
So we're gonna turn this into this.
All right, I got this. I will show this.
Oh, God. All right.
That is overwhelming. Y'all, look at this.
Do you have a wig for me? Am I supposed to show this to the camera?
All right, game on. Let us begin.
All right.
All right, let's start with some, probably some of that.
All right, we need some white.
I assume I'm dabbing orange first as a base all over the place.
What even is up? That's, I don't need vampire blood. I think we're good on that front. Oh God, this is stressful. Okay.
Am I doing my entire head? Having a bunch of people watching was not part of the deal.
So we're gonna start with an ample amount of whatever that is. Good luck, me.
Okay. Okay, it's gonna be great. It's just gonna be so good. So, can I mix them or is that against the rules?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's the stuff.
For those of you that don't know me, I don't wear a lot of makeup, so this is like way past my pay grade in knowledge. And this is why I do real estate and I'm not in Hollywood.
I don't even know how to start.
Oh dear. Oh dear, okay. I feel like a kindergartner trying to put her mom's makeup on right now.
I feel like the goal with the Joker is when you're doing like a Joker face to be equal parts like psychotic but also approachable, you know? Much like the regular face that I've got.
Oh wow.
This sucks.
Look like I got punched in the eye. What in the heck did you pick this picture?
Oh, there's no guidance offered. Got it, okay. I'm being told there is no guidance. Mike Collins is on his own.
So I'm looking more bozo. This is not. Oh gosh.
Alright, so I think we're off to the races here.
I'm having second thoughts about signing up for this. Oh, there's crayons? Are these for your face?
I'm gonna get the tip of my nose because that's gotta be red.
I look like I'm drunk.
Every time I end up trying to do something for TYG, it totally ends up biting me in the tail.
My skin's too pale to see this white paint that I'm trying to put on my face right now.
Work on the schnoz.
Note to Gavin and Josie, do not let me do your makeup for your Halloween costumes. I knew I was fair skinned fan.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking with gas.
Oh, that's too thin. This needs drastic. This calls for drastic.
Do you want to edit the cover picture?
Okay. Okay. I feel like my daughter's just drawing on my face.
Now the great big smile. That's vampire blood. I don't think that's gonna give the desired effect.
It's not gonna stain my face, is it? I should have watched some YouTube videos before. Crap. Oh no, it's all wiping away. I thought we were smudging.
Oh, sweet, it dries. It dried. I did not know that. That's awesome and also terrible.
Oh, I'm looking like the drunk Joker now.
Look, it's all like clumping.
What is this supposed to be for? It's thick. Oh. Okay. This is good. I feel like we're making progress.
I feel like I should go to the bank later. Yeah.
That's what you want me to do? I see people do this on the Facebook. Wait, I don't have bejeweled stuff here. That's okay. We'll just improvise.
All right, what now?
None of it's working, y'all.
I'm not talking to somebody about refinancing my home. I'm not entirely sure when my Joker voice is also Kermit the Frog's voice.
Okay, I feel like I'm putting a mustache on.
We'll be back in 5 minutes when this dries. Thanks for coming back.
I don't like you right now. I am really second guessing my thoughts on doing this.
Oh.
Can I put this on my lips? Is this safe? We got workers' comp around these parts.
Also, I'm not sure what is in this, but something on my face is now burning. So,
It's not wiping off, it's streaking across the table.
This is terrible.
oh, well, this will be interesting. This is mildly terrifying.
All right, let's see.
Help! Are you just gonna sit there and watch me flounder? Because I feel like that's what's happening. Oh my gosh, what is this? It's like glue.
Caution, do not use red, purple, or orange makeup around the eye areas.
Lesson learned, don't let Law do your makeup.
Do not use green or blue makeup around the mouth area.
Are you making this up?
I wish that I were.
I'm gonna tighten it up. I'm gonna tighten this stuff up. I'm gonna tighten it up real quick. This is gonna be fine. I'm like using all the things. Is that bad?
Well, here's the benefit here. The red, not used around the eyes, and the blue, not used around the mouth. That's probably, you know what, that's probably why he went with this setup. He was using the exact same stuff. This is Joaquin Phoenix approved makeup, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. Oh my god.
Y'all, I look just like her.
And if it's not for the gram, what's it for?
Probably should have let it dry. But you know what? Ain't nobody got time for that.
Oh my God, please help me.
Blend it, blend it. Ooh, it's seeping into my pores. It's seeping into my pores. Just don't. Yeah. Oh, it tastes so bad.
Now we've got to do the smile.
Yeah, this looks great.
See, am I supposed to get my eyelid?
All right, so now, yep, that looks insane, right?
Gonna be looking to buy or sell real estate. I'm your girl.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my god, her nose is black? How did I miss that?
Oh, yeah.
I also have to say that the makeup that I'm using is not the most top quality.
Ow!
How do you do this for real though? How did someone actually, did they give you like a tutorial? Or am I giving one right now? I probably should not have shown you guys the before picture so that y'all can, you know, think that this is what it's supposed to look like.
Oh my God, that's so bad.
Oh, sucky me. This is what I'm talking about.
Mm. Yeah, no, the red tastes fine.
Okay. Oh, I need lips. I need gold lips. Oh dear. Oh. My nose.
I think that's enough. I think, you know, I think you get the idea.
Oh. Hers looks much nicer. Oh my god, she's got black on her lips too. Okay, so let's do some dots. Here we go.
Alright. So now that I've jacked that up. Eyebrows. Is that dry-ish?
Right.
I also had a lot of coffee this morning, so steady hands I do not have.
Like little. I look like a child just around my forehead, not like that I have spots.
Oh, that's it.
It's getting good now. It's all pulling together.
Alright.
This is ridiculous. I can't believe y'all talked me into this.
I think we got a winner here.
Get my widow's peak. It's important.
Try to fill in some of my dots here. Hey, I feel like this is making good progress.
We have to start over, right?
It's like really like starting to melt on my face.
I honestly thought that like someone was going to do this to me and all I had to do was sit here, so it is kind of a shock.
I'm gonna put my own YouTube channel. How to look bomb. I'm here for it.
Finishing touches, friends. Finishing touches.
It's all good.
I feel like we're getting close. What do you think?
I think we're gonna go with going with the theme earlier. We're gonna go with this azul.
Hey, it's not too bad. I mean, I could do much worse than this.
Looks like a football.
Give the people what they want.
Due to some technical difficulties, we got my eyes done, which is great.
Yeah, we're getting it now.
Can I use this on my lips?
You're gonna do something, you know, do it right. Don't do it half fannied. See what I did there? It's PG.
Let's do this.
Oh yeah, that's doing it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it feels so weird on my lips.
Eyeliner makes your lips full. That's what the Kardashians told me. Nailed it.
All right. I'm feeling like I might be there.
Okay.
I think we're good, ladies and gentlemen. I think that's sharp.
So I feel like I'm pretty much done now. I look like somebody that would scare children.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna get the lead in any new renditions of the Joker, but I think we're close enough for government work.
So
I'm done.
I'm feeling pretty good. I mean, obviously, shit hers looks a lot. Look, now I got all my teeth. Oh dear.
What? Oh, that is a pumpkin. All right.
I should have worn my red velour suit. That would have been better.
Okay, one last touch and I think we're all set. Ready to hit the town.
Can't wait to FaceTime my 5-year-old daughter. And yeah, she's not gonna like this.
Okay. What do you think? That'd be so good.
There's 1,000% chance that I will not be doing this again anytime soon.
You ready?
I really do think I nailed it.
I need the wig.
Make a scary face.
This is all I got.
What do you think?
Do I need to keep looking now?
I feel bad for everyone that I'm gonna interact with for the next 3 or 4 days or so, because this is on here pretty solid.
It's a good thing I'm better at selling houses than I am at doing face makeup.
It was fun. It was fun.
Happy Halloween!
Awesome. Let's go scare some people. What do you think? Also, do not use white makeup on face.
No, it doesn't.
It does not say that.
Oh.
I made that last part up.